There we go. Cool. So. To hold it in, and then the impact on one, and then just go till it tightens all the way down.
Like that? Am I doing this right?
Yep.
Wait, this isn't.
Oh, sorry. 19.
Is that good?
There you go. Now bottom one.
You can't tell.
Almost.
It came out. It's just spinning. You want me to keep doing it?
Try again. It's the wrong size nut. That was enough. Here. That's 3/4 inch. That's what's gonna go up.
So what?
That side? We gotta take off both bolts again, right?
Oh. You want me to hold it?
Wrench on there. Cool. Probably shouldn't do that with that wrench bullet.
You ready?
Yep, go for it. This can go off to the side. This one's going on.
Okay, so put these back on?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, I'm just gonna do that.
Start them with your hand first.
They work better without gloves.
I know. If you want to put a set of these on, it's a lot easier to grab and feel stuff, and you don't get dirt and shit on your nails. Just tighten them down. Make sure it's on tight. I like this song.
Me too.
Oh man, I farted a little. I'm straining.
Time for the hemorrhoid.
That would be terrible.
Alright, what do you help us?
I'm not sure yet. Alright, I'll teach you something real quick. So on this one, you notice how that bolt, when you pulled it out, was shaped really weird?
Yeah.
It's like weird, it's got one long side on it. So watch what happens to this when I spin it.
It's finished too. That?
See that it comes in and out?
Yeah.
You know, the fucking people with the Hondas that have the wheels cambered really in? That's from doing these.
Oh.
There's actually a little notch on the bolt that if you line it up with the notch on the strut over here, will tell you where it's at. Where's your impact?
Just standing there with the wind in your golden hair. Didn't know your name, but I could feel it with every heartbeat, every time that our eyes would meet. Didn't know back then. And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together. Am I living in a fantasy, or is this for real? Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. I don't know what you see in me. I'm not good for you, can't you see that I will drag you down? Here at the bottom, I hope that you finally see I'm not good enough. And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together. Am I living in a fantasy, or is this for real? Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. For someone like me. Someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me.
now we got the holes drilled for the riv nuts. That'll clean up the flares a lot. And then flares are out getting wrapped by my buddy Preston. We're about to have some fun with the car. You excited to do this?
Yes.
All right, I'll let you start it. Go for it.
It's sticky.
It's very sticky. You gotta peel like right along with the paint instead of out.
How do you get that off?
I don't know. I think a lot of what this is going to be is we're going to end up taking chunks off and then coming back, getting some other pieces, and I'll end up buffing it all out later on. But hey, at least the good news is the paint underneath all the wrap is still in some pretty good shape.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. All the way up.